All right, so this is number 5B. I'm not doing 5A because 5A, I think you understand it from the lecture. I saw that most of you got that kind of a question. So I have 24x to the 5th, y to the 7th, minus 18x to the 4th, y to the 4th, plus 3x cubed y squared. And all this quantity is being, all of this is being divided by negative 6x squared y squared. And so I'm going to say, do the same thing as we learned in class. So do everything term by term. So 24x to the 5th, y to the 7th divided by negative 6x squared y squared minus 18x to the 4th, y to the 4th divided by negative 6x squared y squared plus 3x cubed y to the 4th, y squared rather, divided by negative 6x squared y squared. And so if you do that, you can start simplifying. So let's do the numbers first. So negative 24 divided by negative 6 is negative 4. X to the 5th divided by x squared is going to be x cubed. Y to the 7th over y squared is going to be y to the 5th. Same thing now. Negative 18 divided by negative 3 is going to be a positive. Negative 18 divided by negative 6 is going to be a positive 3. Sorry, my brain is running fast with this process. X to the 4th divided by x squared is going to be x squared. Y to the 4th divided by y squared is going to be y squared. Positive 3 divided by a negative 6 is going to be kind of like a negative a half. So I'm just going to write that instead of writing negative a half. I know it's going to just basically be something with a 2 here. All right? So I'm not going to write the 1. Let the 1 be invisible. X cubed divided by x squared is just going to be x. So again, this is so far as negative half x, so I'm leaving the 1 out. Y squared divided by y squared, boom, that's gone. So this is what we have left over. All right, so this is our answer. Negative 4x cubed, y to the 5th, plus 3x squared, y squared minus x over 2. All right? Or you can say minus 1x over 2, whichever, or minus a half x. So the answer key has minus a half x. I guess I put the 1, negative 1 back here. Same thing. All right. All right, so that's that. Let's look on. We're going to go into the one of the favorite parts here, long division. All right, so that's going to be the next problem. It's going to be long division.